I have installed the new drive shafts, which means I can unleash the full potential of the motor. 195 Newton meters, 94 horsepower. So I'm excited for my first test drive now. Okay, so I'm in the car. So this is the first test drive. So just ease up on the throttle. Yeah, and give it a little bit more. Whoa, wheel spin. It's definitely more power now. Whoa! Whoa! So from 45, full throttle. Ooh, that's barely keeping the wheels down. Let's try from 30. Oh, wheel spill. Wow. So much power now, so much power.